Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing something really cool and really fun. So I actually went and saw the new Venom movie and I absolutely love it. Unpopular opinion, he is not the anti-hero. If you actually watch it, Venom is, along with its host, is the hero of the situation, and then the other symbiote is the anti-hero. So again, unpopular opinion, tell me your opinion down in the comments if you've seen it. But today I am going to be creating and turning myself into Venom from the photo trailer. And this is going to be very interesting because I've never done this before, and it's not just going to be strictly face paint. So keep watching if you would like to see what I did. This is pretty simple and straightforward, but it does take a little bit of time. So if you want to see how to turn yourself into the anti-hero, just keep on watching. First thing you're going to do when you start this is you're going to take wax paper. It's very important that you have wax paper or else the prosthetic is not going to peel off. And you're going to draw out the shape of your head. I just looked in a mirror, put a little bit of light on it, and I was able to see my face through it. And I just traced around my outer edge. This is very important, or else the prosthetic that you build on it will not fit. Okay, so I just put the latex down. I have a big bottle of it here. I put the liquid latex down nice and flat. Make sure your edges are very thin. And you can do this by just taking a tissue or your fingers and just pulling it out like this. This is going to help it adhere to your face. And not only that, it's going to give you a nice base if you do need to cut around it. It's always better to make it a little bit bigger than to not have enough. And then once it starts to dry, go ahead and pat and cover all of the little holes around the face, because you're going to let this dry, and then once it's dry, you are going to start building your base on top of it. As you can see, I left this whole other side of the face out because that will be where my face is. Okay, so I have about 4 layers on here now. See, it's nice and dry. There's nothing coming off on my fingers. And I'm just going to use my cotton now. So I've taken a regular cotton ball, and you just split it down the side, and it should unroll nice like this. And I'm going to lay down a layer of the latex wet and start to form his eye shape. Now it's okay if it goes up and off of your face chart, because this will either be in your hair or it'll be tucked behind. So basically you're just going to form an eye shape sort of like this, and then cover the complete thing in latex. Okay, so this is after it's all been dried. You can see the teeth in there, and then the lighter color, I went in and just put dots, and then I stretched out that cotton and made it very stringy so that it looks like it's taking over. Because in the trailer photo, you can see excuse me, you can see the symbiote taking over, and I really like how this turned out. So once that's dry, I'm going to cover it completely with another layer, which will make it 10, and then we're going to powder it. Okay, and as you can see, after I've got him all peeled up, it is a perfect face. It's got nice edges. If you want to trim off the straggly edges, you can. I probably won't because I like the way they look. It looks like the Venom. And I powdered everything. Make sure you powder absolutely everything. And after this, you are completely ready to apply to your face with Prozaid or liquid latex. Keep your eye out for part 2, where I apply and paint. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.